Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my this particular video I am going to discuss about morphological image processing. Okay, morphological operation mostly consists of two major components. One is erosion, another one is dilation. Okay, so what is that? It is nothing but morphological operation is nothing but method for processing binary images based on shapes. Okay, so we will be giving input one binary image and one shape. Okay, that may be rectangle, that may be square, that may be cube, that may be diamond shape, anything. Okay, and the output will be also binary image, which will have only those part of the input image which is having this shape like our input shape. Okay, like if in the input image some diamond shape are present, in the output only those diamond shape will be reflected, rest of the part will not be shown. Like that it will work. Okay, so these operations take a binary image as input and return also binary image as output. Okay, and you can study the same thing I have written here. And erosion, what it does, it removes pixel on object boundaries. How it does, I will be discussing. It changes them from on to off. So on to off means as this is binary image, you can understand 0 and 255, only two levels black and white are present. Black means 0 and white means 255. You can, for the time being, for simplicity purpose, you can take white as 1 and black as 0 also, no problem in that. And this is normal convention that black is background, white is our object. Okay, that is original content, right? With this basic concept, we are ready to go with the erosion in morphological operation. In my next video, I will be discussing about dilation, okay, which is another very important morphological operation. So for implementing erosion, as I have told you, we will be giving one binary image and one shape. That shape is called structural element because that will structure our output. Okay, this is also called convolutional matrix or kernel. In simple one, mask or one small matrix you can assume. Okay, like square matrix 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, all one, right? Because you can see the ones are making kind of square. Here this particular pattern is making kind of diamond because this is one plus and this one plus, if you combine you will be getting like diamond shape, right? And like this is called disk structural element because you just see, don't consider the boundaries and consider the rest of the one part, it will form like kind of disk, right? This particular part, okay, circular disk. So this is called disk. Now the question comes, I will be having one binary image and I will be having one kernel or mask. Now how we can shape our output based on our mask? Very simple. Just try to understand the idea. Suppose my mask is diamond shape, that is this one. Okay, I have just taken the shape of 1, and if we take, we will be getting like this kind of plus symbol, right? And suppose this is our original image, okay, which is binary image. Now the rule is quite simple. If the kernel does not fit completely in our binary image, the corresponding pixel is removed. And which pixel? The central pixel, that is the pixel which will be situated here. Okay, so initially what will happen, our kernel will be placed here, and you can clearly understand that if this particular pixel become the center of this particular kernel, then obviously this part and this part will be outside our original image, so this particular corresponding pixel will be removed. Same reason, if we slide our kernel to here, that is our this pixel will be central pixel of this kernel, although this part and this part and this part will be adjusted properly, but this part will be there, will be placed here basically, so it will be outside our image. So as a result, this particular pixel will be removed also. So if you apply, eventually what will happen, the whole boundary, all the pixels will be removed and we will be having this kind of shape where the boundaries images will be converted to 0 and central pixel will be 1. So basically what we will be doing, if the kernel fits, we will be making that pixel to 1, that is white, otherwise we will be making that black. Okay, assuming that as boundary. Simple idea, right? And you can clearly understand that the kernel basically shrinks our original image. Our original image boundary is basically filtered or cut in this particular output. You can clearly understand. Now let us try to implement the same concept in MATLAB. And I hope you can clearly understand what is the meaning of this line, that erosion remove pixels on object boundaries, okay, changes from on to off. As you can clearly see that the boundary objects are basically turned off, all are made to 0, and we are getting this. So erosion shrinks the image. That is the main funda. Okay, where you can apply the erosion concept in, there are thousands of applications. Okay, suppose you are having one image here and one image which is slightly combined with our second image, like this kind of shape if you consider, okay, like this kind. Okay, so now if you apply erosion, both the individual image will be shrinked by a small amount, and as a result it might happen that they will become separate. Like that kind of application we can implement in erosion. I will be showing application of that. I will be showing you case studies. So let us directly move towards our code. One beautiful animation I am going to show you, which you can use as project component in your digital image processing course also. So I have taken one image which is present in MATLAB by default. Okay, CLC clear all close all, and I equal to imread circuit, one circuit image I am taking, which is one binary image. Okay, if I show you the image, I just let me write imshow. I'll be having this kind of circuit, and if you are electronics and communication engineering student, you can clearly understand this is PCB board design, all those things. I hope you can recall. All right, now as you can clearly see that in this particular image there are some dominating rectangles, like here one rectangular shape, here this side one rectangular shape, here this side one rectangular, here this side one rectangular, here this side one rectangular shape, and these are wares, right? Suppose you want to remove the wares and want to keep only the rectangular shapes, you can implement erosion in this particular case. How? It is very simple. See, these are rectangular shape, so you have to give input this image and this shape as one rectangular shape in nature, and it will shape only these rectangles, and all the lines, these small thin lines will not fit on our rectangular shape, and as a result they will be removed. Okay, they will be turned off. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Now let me take the shape. As I have shown you that rectangular shape we want to extract, so I have taken 16 cross 20 square rectangular matrix, okay, of all one, and then to perform erosion in inbuilt function MATLAB is imerode. Okay, give the original input image and then the shape. Okay, so I will be running this particular part, evaluate selection. All right, and then I will be plotting that. Okay, subplot original image and then our eroded image. If we run the code, see how beautifully we are getting the detected rectangle parts. Okay, you can clearly see here one rectangle that is reflected here, here one rectangle that is reflected here, here one rectangular part that is reflected here, here one that is reflected here, here one that is reflected here, and here this particular part also it is detecting a bit. You can adjust your size of input shape and remove that part also. Now based on that we can perform one beautiful animation. So here is the simple animation which I can show you. The idea is quite simple. Each time I am changing my input shape, keeping the original input image as same, and I am showing that using imshowpair montage. Okay, Control A, evaluate selection. Just observe the right hand side image. Slowly all the lines will be removed and only the rectangular parts will be remaining. Let us check. See, this is our original image, and slowly the lines are removed, only rectangular parts left. If I run again, see how beautifully it is working. Okay, so I hope you have understood the application of erosion. Okay, in this kind of shaping related things we can implement that, and this is all for this video. Thank you for watching.